Guys, today it is me, Mr. Incredible, the Incredibles. We're going to be doing a video about this fan. Yes. And we're going to be taking it apart, not all the way, because my parents won't let me take it all the way apart. I'm not that much of a nerd, so I don't know that much. So I'm gonna take off this part, the fan blade and all that, and we're gonna do some stuff with it. See how fast it spins by itself without the blade. And so excuse me. So first we're going to start with the cage. Right here. Cage. So here's the little fan blade that spins when you need it. And when it's hot, in a hot day, because I was outside watering my garden. So I was warm and sweating and those mosquitoes piss me off because they are biting me all over, like right here, all down my arm. Okay, sorry about that, guys. That was the dryer. Okay, so I'm gonna take this part off. There we go. Okay, so that was the cap for the fan. Right here it says Titan, tighten something or loose. Doesn't say loosen. Oh. And then the fan blade. It's right here. So let's see if it makes a difference between. So this does not have the cap on, so if it flies off and hits me, it's not gonna hurt. So here we go. Oh wow. So it doesn't really hurt to put your finger in there. So, and watch this, guys. There's the cap. Watch this. It'll just twist on automatically. Oh shit. Okay, got that needle off there. Alright, we're gonna try that again. Alright. Here we go. There we go. Yeah. Alright, I got it on. So yeah. So now we're gonna be we're gonna take it off. We're gonna take come on. Okay, we're gonna take everything off. Which way? Alright. So here's the thing by itself. Yeah. This part right here, the spinner, that it's hot right now because the motor, it's been working. I mean, how's it not catch on fire? We keep it on. I keep this one on all night in my room, and well, I'm using a different fan, but this one doesn't that's warm too. Hope it doesn't. So let's see what it looks like without anything. It goes faster. Okay, there's 3 settings. 1, 2, 3, and off. It's on the first one right now. I'm going to change it to second. So this second. Third setting. I could hear that electricity right there. So yeah. So now to see the motor, I'm gonna have to unplug it because I don't want to shock myself. So get a close up on this. Alright, so here, there we go. So there's the motor. And I'm actually quite surprised. I didn't know this thing came off. It was quite boring that came. See, I mean, this is ooh, it's hot. It stinks. So this is the part right here that's hot. I mean, like, there's lots of copper wrapped up in there. I'm like, what for? Why can't you? Here, I'm gonna go get a flashlight just a second. So I got the flashlight. And I'm gonna see where those copper wires are. Cause oh, there they are. I see them. Alright, if you can't, well, have to. This thing is hard. Alright, so they're in there. Can't see them. Well, there they are. See? There's little wires running in there. It's too bright. There we go. Yeah. Tiny bit you can see there. And that's like, yeah. See, they're all running in there, like looping. Well, only like a half moon. Like, can't these people just use something else? That's what makes it so warm. I mean, like, the electric house. Ooh, that's warm. God dang. I could create a fire hazard. I'm not going to use this fan from now on. Not in my room. My parents use another one of these fans. I hope it doesn't catch fire. Plus my Xbox down here. This was a $300 Xbox. Okay. It's the Xbox One. So yeah, that's what it looks like inside. We're gonna do some crazy stuff with it, like, cause one time I put a straw on here, it was, and that broke off. It hit my dog Abby, and she was standing by it. She whined. Well, it wasn't that funny, because so sad to see her get hit. Okay, yeah. So apparently, see what it looks like out back cage. Twist on this. Twist, twist, twist. Jam. There we go. Alright. We're going to put the cover on, so just a minute while I get this on. Excuse me. So I got the cover on, and it looks like it is doors. This fan blade doesn't really hurt. I mean, what? Even if I put my hand when it's like chopping on the side right here, it doesn't even hurt. Ah. Do you see that? I can feel the vibration of electricity when I do that thing. Put up to 2. Okay, 3. Okay, yeah, so that's pretty much that. So now I'm gonna get a straw and put it on the right here. See how fast it turns. It's gonna probably like, because last time I tried it, it was like freaking fast. Oh wow, you can spin that thing. Yeah. Well. This same straw I used for last time on it, and it actually chopped it up. So see, watch. This will prove how fast it spins. Dang, it spins so fast you can't even see the straw. No, look at this. It's spinning so fast. Wow. One time I tried a pencil on here, and I put a piece of paper to it, and then I started drawing. Now that hurt. So I started drawing with the piece of paper, and it made like nice circles. I was like, whoa. So yeah, I can't do that now. It wasn't this fan that I did it with. It was another fan, but I broke it, and yeah, it was like this straw is weak. So it was like a $20 fan. I do not know why. It's like all plastic. I mean, all plastic. It was one of the Galaxy fans, I think. Yeah. Unless they don't know. Wait, where was it? Yeah, it was a Galaxy fan. Okay, yeah. And it was like you can twist the thing right here and it'll extend up. But it wasn't as tall as this one. This one has another attachment. I gotta find it. My brother do it somewhere. So this thing could get higher, but I'll find the piece. So yeah. Okay, whatever. So I'm going to. Shit, I'm recording for 12 minutes. God damn. Alright, I'm gonna put this back together and tighten that. Put this on. Go, spinning, spinning, spinning. Oh shit. Right. Tighten it. So it's good to go. And we put the front cage on like this. No, I'm just kidding. We actually have to push it. I'm not gonna punch it. That'd be ridiculous. So we're gonna. Oh god. Okay, so we're gonna have to like clip it on. Oh, there we go. All right, so it's ready. So I'm gonna turn on oscillating. So it works perfectly. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna punch it. All right, so that is it for today. And I will see you guys later. Please leave a comment below or and subscribe. I mean. Oh shit! I bent the cord. I bent the goddamn thing. Dang. Man, I'm strong for this metal. I can bend it. Ooh shit! I don't want to break the damn thing. Oh, I almost broke it there. I bent it too much. See? Look. I don't want to break the damn thing. Oh well. So there we go. And that is what this fan, what it looks like inside. Also, I did some dangerous stuff like putting, say, a long key, like a key with the long chain, and I just put my hand on there. It sliced it. It cut my hand like somewhere. That's been like. I don't have that cane anymore. A long time ago. My parents were pissed. So, and bye bye.